As you might know, a WordPress-powered website uses a theme to simplify the process of creating a site. It's a collection of templates and style sheets that define the appearance and display of the website. Each theme comes with a different design or layout and features, so a user needs to choose the one that suits their taste and requirements. Let's see how to install and set up a theme for our website. In the dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New. I'll search for the Astra theme, and then install it. Then activate to change the theme to Astra. I will use the Astra theme to set up my header, nav menu, and footer. So click Customize to access the theme's customizer options. Go to Header, Site Identity, and set the logo. Click to open the library and drag in your logo to upload. Click Select to insert it. You can crop it, but I will skip this. We can change the logo width over here. Now let's see what it looks like on mobile. I'll go ahead and adjust it a bit, like so. Let's move on to the site icon. Like before, click to open the library. Upload your icon, skip cropping, and insert it. For the site title, I'll add the restaurant's name, Simaya. Next, I'll go ahead and deselect this so the site title doesn't appear in the header. Lastly, I'll add the tagline over here. Next, go back once, and in Primary Header, choose a layout. Here you can set the bottom border size, and here its color. I will set it to 0, so there isn't a border at all. And here we can choose the layout for the header on mobile. As you can see, by default, the sample page appears in the nav menu on the right. This is because we haven't created a menu for the site yet. Let's do it. Go back twice, and in Menus, click Create New Menu. Give it a name, and choose where this menu will appear. I'll set it as the primary menu. Time to add our menu items, which will link to our home, menu, and contact pages once we create them. Click Next, and then Add Items. We haven't created any pages yet, but when we do, they'll show up here. As you can see, the default sample page is here. In order to automatically add pages to the nav menu on the go, make sure this option is selected. This way, our home page, menu, and contact pages will appear in the nav menu the moment we create and publish them. Time to set up our footer. Go back twice, and in Footer, choose Footer Bar. Choose the layout, and in Section 1, change the text. Next, you can set the background color over here. I'll give it this nice purple color. Okay, great. Now let's go back twice again to the Customizer's global settings. And in Colors, Base Colors, I'll set the theme and link colors, so there won't be any issues when we use Elementor's theme style settings to style our navbar menu items, footer text, as well as other elements on our site. Soon you'll see exactly how, but first, let's publish to save these settings. Great. Now let's close the customizer so we're back in the dashboard. Great! We successfully installed and activated the Astra theme and used the customizer to set up our header, navbar menu, and footer. Time to create our first page.